Okay guys, didn't see you there. I'm Akanksha and I've got so much to tell you. I'm 12 years old. Actually, I just turned 12 on the 21st of April. What a coincidence. I'm 12 years old. I live in Canada, but I'm here in India for vacation. I have a sister and she's 7.5 years old. I have a question for you. Can you guess what my favorite color is? I'll give you a few seconds. Actually, if you try to guess, I'm sorry, because I don't have a favorite color. I love most of the colors. I know three languages. And those are Hindi, English, and basic French. I also love to cook and make many things out of clay. Let's see here. See, these are some of my creations. This is a bowl of lemon rice. This is a badminton racket and a shuttlecock. This is a teeny tiny computer. And this is an eyeshadow palette. I'm also an avid reader, and I can get lost in a story in only a few seconds.